एग्जाम सर पे हैं और एक्सपोनेंट्स का चैप्टर एंजाइटी दे रहा है। एंजाइटी को भूल जाओ, ये 8 फॉर्मूले याद कर लो, एक्सपोनेंट्स का चैप्टर सॉल्व हो जाएगा। स्टार्टिंग ऑफ विद द फर्स्ट वन, पावर ऑफ पावर्स। बेस सेम है, पावर डिफरेंट है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन का रिलेशन है। Then the power gets raised to the addition of both the powers, which means अगर हम multiply करते हैं a to the power 2 and a to the power 4 को, the answer is a to the power 6. Power of a power, which means agar a has been raised to a certain power, which is again raised to another power, then it becomes the product of the power, which means a to the power 4 raised to the power of 2 becomes a to the power 4 into 2, which becomes a to the power of 8. Power of a quotient, a fraction raised to the power of a single power, which becomes a to the power m divided by b to the power m. Negative power, a to the power minus n becomes the reciprocal of the number 1 divided by a to the power n. Moving on to the division of powers. The base is getting divided. The powers are getting subtracted. A to the power m divided by a to the power n becomes a to the power m minus n. Power of a product. If two numbers are in multiplication raised to a single power, it opens up as a to the power n and b to the power n. Zero exponent. A to the power 0 is equals to 1. What does that mean? It means if the base a is not equals to 0 and is raised to the power 0, which means the answer will be 1. Divisional power. Divisional power is a base of a single number raised to the power of a fraction, which is m by n, becomes n under root of a to the power m. Example, 16 raised to the power of 3 to 4 becomes the fourth root of 16 raised to the power of 3. The numerator goes to the raised power. The denominator goes to the number of the roots, which means 16 becomes 2 and 3 becomes the power, which means the number is 8. So 16 to the power 3 by 4 becomes the power 8, right? Easy formulas, don't need to mug up. Just keep watching this reel 2 to 3 times and you will by heart the formulas. See you in the next reel with some quick formulas to learn.